Game.
Yeah. My father Tip Top, Mr. Jarhead, and Mr. Boy Asin. Introduce yourself, man.
Yeah. I'm Boyasin. Oh shit, there's something inside my skin. Yeah.
You finish?
Yeah.
Finish? Okay. Introduce yourself.
Scratch your balls.
Introduce yourself, man.
Yeah. My name is Jarhead Dao. Yeah.
Jarhead Dao.
I come in peace.
You know Dao Mingsu? Jarhead Dao.
Jarhead Dao, man. Come on. I come in peace, man.
Alright, this is Flip Top. There are no rules except punching. No punching. No anything below the belt. Nothing above the head. Listen with your words. Go. Rock for your life.
What's going? What's the coin, man?
Over here, man. Over here, man. That's a fake coin.
That's not a coin, man.
Over here, man.
This time
Man,
it's
it's
different.
different.
It's the coin, man. It's the coin. It's the coin.
We play text.
Yeah, come on.
This heads, this the tails.
Yeah.
There's no difference.
The heads, this is the ears.
Heads or tails?
Heads or ears?
Heads.
Tails. Oh, it's a hand. Sakit na chan ko. It's a hand. Oh, no,
It's
no,
heads.
no. It's a money.
You do one first.
You, man. Korea.
You go first.
It's the Korea, man. Alam mo,
Sure,
Jared, ako'y pagod na pagod.
Gusto daw lumaban ng flip top. Dun no.
Pero ang freestyle ko,
Mga rappers daw.
pero masyadong magaling ang style ko. Eh, ikaw, anong hinihintay mo, Pasko?
Oh.
Lobat na. Kung sa tingin nyo ng mga manunood ako'y lobat na, pero itong kalaban ko, tila walang
Dugo.
dugo.
Yeah!
Kahit
No blood, man.
I have no
No
bra. I'm Edward Cullen, man.
Okay, time's over. Your turn.
Wait a minute, pwede bang pakiulit? Anong sinasabi mo ulit? Wait. Sabi mo wala akong dugo. Ano daw? Halata naman, nag-violet na ako. Iba naman. Pagod na kasi talaga ako rin.